Well, it's Tech for Hire. I believe he's going to bore us again with his bullshit.
Hey guys and gals, Tech for Hire here. I just washed my 2018 Kia Niro, and there are a lot of people out there. There's lots of advertisements for the spray and wash stuff. Like you'll see this one specifically here, F11 top coat. What they basically advertise is that you could spray your car while it's dirty. You just spray it, you wipe it off. It's like waxing and detailing your car. It's not, and I will tell you why. I'll actually show you. On my hood here, I did top coat. Like I said, I just washed it. So top coat is here, and the center section is nothing. It's just wash. And on this side, I actually did a Claybar. Claybar, some people think, oh, you have to go to a detail shop to do a Claybar. You don't have to. It's super easy. You take a little bit of detail spray, whichever brand you like, spray it down, and then use the Claybar and rub over it. Claybar is basically like this here. It's stuck to the table. It is what it sounds like. It's like a little thing of clay. But this one's specifically for cars. So what you do is you basically spray your car down, then rub that down. So let me show you what the difference is, okay? Why am I doing this video in the first place? Because I want to make life easier for you. You can Google all the different reasons why you want to detail your car, why you want to protect the paint. I'm not going to do any of that stuff for you. You can Google it. There's no reason for me to do it. But what I am going to do is show you the difference, okay? So here's a stock hood, okay? It's untreated. I just washed it. Okay, now for all you detail guys out there, yes, I'm using my fingertips. You're not technically supposed to do that because it can scratch your clear. But I just washed it. My hands are clean. There's nothing on it, so don't worry about it. I want to showcase how rough the paint actually can be using my fingertips, because you can hear that. Right. Like I said, this is untreated. Can you hear that? Sounds like sandpaper, right? It's really rough. Now, F11 is on this side. You can still hear it. Still hear how it's rough? Now, it's not as rough as this, right? I can feel it in my hands, but obviously you can't feel it. Now, go from here to here, all the way over to a Claybar section, and look at that. Feels like glass. It feels super smooth. And I'm just continually rubbing it. It's like, oh, that feels so good. Okay, so you have here. Now, that is a big difference, and that's awesome. Telling you guys, there are no shortcuts to getting your car to be super clean the right way and to protect your paint. You can't use this gimmicky crap. Now, what you could do is you could use the F11 with the Claybar, and that might actually be not too bad. And I may actually try that, because honestly, I'm not going to use this F11 stuff for anything else. I have Adams detail spray. That's what I use with my Claybar. I have an Adams detail Claybar. Those two combinations, it's awesome. But you can't just use that by itself. Once you Claybar the car, then you have to wipe it down, and then you actually have to use a wax, whatever wax you want to use. I use Jack's Wax Liquid Carnauba. It's actually really good stuff. But it's up to you. Now, the F11 guys may say, well, you know, with the F11, you don't have to Claybar it. You can just spray it, wipe it down, and it's good to go. But, I mean, you heard it. To me, it doesn't sound like it's taking all the contaminants out of the clear. It doesn't really sound like it's going to protect the car all that much. So it's really up to you. I just wanted to show you the difference between the two. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to comment, because there's so many people that want to comment and give me shit, please do so down below. Thank you. See you again.